Hey friends, it's Lois. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the very cute small surprise box. It's so cute. I will show you later how it looks like when compared to the usual surprise box that I make for my online shop. So I'm showing you every side of the box. It's very detailed for a small project. Sobrang cute niya. Natuwa naman ako kasi hindi ko inakalang magagawa ko pala siya. Akala ko kasi hanggang pangarap lang. So yan yung mini box sa gitna. Wala siyang laman. Maganda dun ilagay chocolates, letters, or anything nakakasyang gift. Yan. So, I fell for you and I am still falling. Yan yung nilagay ko sa bawat side ng box. So, there's the second layer or the outer layer. Pwede natin siyang lagyan ng mga embellishment and cards. So, yan. Pwede naman, pasok natin yan. Now for the other side, yan, it's me and my baby hubby. So yan kami, and it's just me. Puro pictures ko yung nalagay ko kasi wala naman ako masyadong pictures with friends. Kasi pag kasama ko sila, madalas kasi wala nang time magpicturan masyado. So yan na lang. Madalas sa mga projects ako naglalagay ng favorite pictures ko kung saan ako pumunta. I never usually post them online. Makikita nyo lang lagi sa mga projects. So ito na. Look how small. Ang cute. Ang cute-cute niya. Very small lang. Now kapag opened sila, ganyan ang itsura. Oops. Yan. Super cute talaga. Yan. Open pa natin. Yan. Ang cute nyo. Liit lang. Tapos, kapag pinatong ko naman, para kitang-kita talaga kung gaano siya kalit compared dun sa regular size na surprise box na ginagawa ko. They're so adorable. So, friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, comment, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!